Okay, so once the algorithm has switched and confirmed, it gives me my stop if I'm wrong, and it also gives me my targets if I'm right. There's 1, 2, and 3 right here, and sometimes I get even more than that. All right, everybody, it is July 17th, Friday, so I do have a trade here setting up that I'm probably going to jump into. Algorithm switching, got permission, volume agrees, so looking to go long on this trade in 10 seconds. 5 seconds. 3, 2, 1, and confirmed. And oh, yeah, why are we not in? Okay, cool. We're in. All right, so we just jumped into this long. Let's mark it up. All right, so we're in. Everything's marked up. Got my range order in. So I wasn't going to take this trade because this trade likes to trade opposite the market a lot, the stock. And the market looks like it wants to rally into the close. But you know, algorithm said to get in, so I'm jumping in, and we got our target and all that stuff, so we'll see how it goes. Alright, so I only got about 15 minutes left before I have to give back my majority of my buying power. So on the 15th, last upload, this is a stock that wasn't doing great. I bought it at a time of the day where I normally don't trade it. This is the time of day I normally trade it with 90% success right now. So, and we've had 12 winners and 1 loser, so this might be up for another loser here soon. But regardless, so I was in profit and I put my stop in to get out in profit, and I had slippage and I ended up out with a 4-cent loss. So that's the only reason why I had a losing day this week was I traded this, thought I was going to get out in profit, and had slippage. So I took that 4-cent loss. So right now I'm looking at this and I'm thinking, with not that much time left, if I get back into profit, say 10-cent profit, I may bounce out of this and just recover the week on this trade, and then basically, you know, be all profit. So, and have a green day. So I think that's what the plan is right now, just because I don't have a lot of time left. I only have like 10 minutes, 15 minutes left. So we'll see. We'll see what happens. All right, so I'm break even pretty much right now, 74, 75. So if we get to 85, I'm going to start looking to put a stop in. 70, 88.85. Okay, so this is my futures trade that I'm in right now, based on my futures algorithm, and that's the strategy. This algorithm is a simple switch sniper. So indicator of trade here, target here. Looks like we might hit our target, and then we'll be a winner. So there we go, boom, making money in my futures market, one trade at a time, when you can trade for almost 24 hours. So it slowly adds up. All right, going back to the other trade. All right, so that's why I was thinking the market may sell off, or the market's rallying, so this one might not do so hot at the end of the day, because it likes to trade opposite the market. You know, my futures strategy, the sniper strategy, is telling me that the market's going up, then this may go sideways or down. So, but sure enough, it did. It went sideways. Another one went up. So now hopefully that the other one went up and hit the target. This one can go up. Get 2 for about 3 more pennies. I'm going to go ahead and put that stop in. 85. All right, so here we go. And nope, come on. Don't go back down. See, that's a bad habit I have here doing these YouTube videos, is I like to talk about it before I do it. So that can slow me down a lot. Had I just been trading, I would have been like click and been done. So I need to cancel, and then I'm going to hit sell. Got a little spread, but it's not so bad right now. It keeps kind of going to open and close. 76.80, 4 cents, 3 cents. All right. So it's going the wrong direction. Come on. I see I could have got out with my 10 cents, but I tried to talk about it, and now we're going to have to wait again. All right, so back to my futures trade. Look at that. Boom, hit that target and came right back down. It might eventually go back up and keep going, but rejected instantly. Got out right at the penny almost, and then rejected straight back down. Sweet. Good timing, good timing. All right, so here we are. So we're at 87, so I'm going to go ahead and hit the, like I said, it got rejected, and this one's going up, right? So it kind of trades opposite. Oh, I'm talking about it again. Don't talk about it. Just do it. And then get over 85. Get over 85. You know what? It clicks 85. I'm just gonna. Oh, we're at 91. Okay, cool. Why? Oh, because I hit. What? Oh, I hit buy. I have to hit sell. All right, cool. So we locked in at least 10 cents on this thing. I'm gonna take this to 95. I'm running out of time. I only got like 8 minutes left, so I put it in for 95. So that'll be a 20-cent profit if we get out there. Oh, I just clicked it. Are we gonna get out? 88.95. Yeah. Maybe. Okay, cool. All right, so we're out with 91. See, this one does that a lot. So, you know, what you think you're gonna get, you don't always get. I think it was getting me out over here. I don't know. I think it triggered it here, but gave me this price. So I got that spread is what I lost, I think. So yeah, anyway, so there we go. So we ended up with 75, 16 cents. All right, cool. So this stock, it took away 4 cents from me on that same thing. Like I lost a little bit on the slippage. When I should have had a green day, should have been an all green week, but that happened on the 15th. So today we were able to get a little revenge on this stock, except the algorithm told me to do it. And I jumped in, got that money back. So we ended up green on this this particular name for the week, which is awesome. So we're going to shut it down, finish the week at plus 69 cents per share. So not too bad, not a bad week at all, 69 cents per share for the week. And then we'll be back on Monday, and then the futures trading. I'm going to try to start capturing these. It's really hard actually. You know, for the traders out there who are trading on a bunch of different platforms. I know like Ross Cameron over at Warrior Trading was doing that for a while, where he's trying to trade like 3 different platforms at the same time. It's really, really hard to do that actually. So, and you know, do the YouTube thing and like talk about your trades and like, man, and he runs a chat room at the same time. It's really not easy at all, believe it or not, guys. So I don't know if you guys tried that yet or not, but it's quite difficult and time consuming. So, but I'm going to try to start bringing in my futures trades to you when I take them. That's the same algorithm set up a little bit differently for futures. Futures likes a little bit different data. And then I traded on the 30-minute and the 4-hour charts because of the commissions with Thinkorswim are pretty high in the futures market. At least trading the E-minis. If I trade the ES, it's not so bad, but right now I'm trying to do the E-minis so that my students can, that may be getting to futures that don't have that much money. Because to trade the regular futures, you're looking at, you know, minimum of like 13 or 14 grand in your account for one contract. So yeah, but with the E-minis, it's like 1,300 bucks. So much better. But then commissions is pretty expensive. So anyway, so I'll start trying to bring some of those futures trades in, so you can kind of see what's going on over there. And then maybe I'll be able to bring in some swing trades as well. So if you're looking at this, so you're looking at more than one trade on here, like what's going on? I took a trade in my sim account. So right here, TR is your trading account. So I traded 1,000 shares, 500 in, 500 out. On that account, right, commissions you got right here for both accounts, except they don't actually pay commissions here. It's just a simulator. But yeah, so that's what that first trade is. Over here you see TR. Anytime someone's in Dash Trader and you see that, they're in a sim account. And then CME is my actual account. So, but yeah, so every now and then if I feel like I need to take a trade, I just do it in the sim. I don't want a casino trade with real money, you know. And basically for me, if there's not a proven statistical probability of success that fits within my plan, then I don't want to trade it with real money. So something might look great. I might have seen it win a whole bunch of times and like, oh, I want to trade that right now. But is there really a proven statistical probability of success that fits within the plan? So, you know, and I won't know unless I go back and actually do that work. So I'll just do it in the simulator. So I did that in the sim today. I'm going to start doing that with something I've been seeing quite often that looks pretty good. So I'm going to just start simming that. So you might see sim trades up there. All right, everybody, have an awesome day, and I will see you on Monday. Have a great weekend.